that one arm. I lost my arm back in Vietnam. Got addicted to the pain meds, and then I've just gone downhill from there. Oh, hello there. My name is Jeff. I got big dick energy. I work in packaging here at Knobs and Knockers. You got a big dick too.
Knobs and Knockers is a wonderful company. We pay our taxes, we have great employees, great salaries.
What type of employee benefits do you get working here?
Well, in exchange for me doing some rock solid packaging for them and getting our guy addicted to drugs, they let me get addicted to drugs.
Hey guys, this is Knobs and Knockers, and they're a real great company, guys. They bring in a lot of jobs, and they're good for the economy. Who are you? I am the politician, man. My name is Danielle Johnson. Vote for me in the next upcoming primary. No reason you shouldn't vote for me. Why shouldn't they vote for me? They should. Why shouldn't they? Oh, why wouldn't they? Well, I'm addicted to cocaine. But we don't need to, we're going to edit that out, right? We're not going to put that in. Yeah. What else did you want me to say? Now, earlier we noticed that there might be some risk that we were not paying employees if they were getting below the minimum wage of $9.95 here in South Dakota. Is it?
It is $9.95 here. We surely pay our employees $9.95.
So are you saying you get less than minimum wage?
Well, I'd assume so. Like, they don't have really a reason to give me any money, I don't think.
Oh.
If I leave, they'll go tell the police that I'm high, and then the police will come and put me in jail. So I don't really ask them much about what I get paid, you know, because I don't want to go to jail. You know.
What's your politician fund?
Oh, buddy, this is a great plan we've got going here. Our politician, Danielle Johnson. I give him the cocaine he wants. In exchange, he makes us look good for the press, and he funds us, and he makes us real happy. Do you got a blunt?
No.
Oh.
No card? Wait, don't let them. What's the next no card? No, they're gonna see the no card. No, they can't see the no cards. It's a great corporation, you know. Oh, I'm sorry. I just zoned out there for a second, mate. Yeah, they're next to a school, which is great. That's one of the benefits of being right here. Is it's good for the children, you know. No drugs. Don't talk about that. I won't. Yeah, that's about it, eh? They're a good company. What else did you want me to say?
But I really like kids.
Oh, I really do like the kids. That's something the company likes too. We just love supporting the children, so we try and be as close to a school as possible. It's really good. Yeah. And I think that's part of the reason why they shouldn't pay any taxes is they're so close to the school that they're almost like a school, you know. Because there's kids inside the building all the time anyway. You don't really know why. But it's good. So really, that's why they don't pay taxes. Is they're classified as a school in my books. That's what I put them in as. Yeah, I think that's all they wanted me to say. Sorry, I'm still gonna get the stuff after this, right? Oh, okay.
You got the cocaine, don't worry.
Alright, good. Thank you. Is there anything else?
Did you stop it?
Alright, Janet. How did you come to work for Knobs and Knockers?
I just thought, what if we just started selling furniture? Gourmet furniture, specifically.
So is that all you're selling here?
Yeah, gourmet furniture.
What do you think of your employees?
They're interesting. They all do different things.
Do you think that your employees are happy to work here?
Yeah, we're not forcing anyone to work here. They're all here. They're all here.
And right now, who is your biggest competitor?
Our biggest competitor would be
Doors and dongles.
doors and dongles.
Might I ask, what makes you different from Doors and Dongles?
Well, they sell doorknobs and doorbells and doors, and we sell furniture.
And we got that big energy back.
What is the highest pay rate at your company? And who receives this?
I do.
Okay.
How much is it? It's in the hundreds of thousands.
About like 1.8 billion.
So, benefits of us having low tax rates. First off, we can give much more benefits and pay to our employees in the form of raises or bonuses. You know, we wouldn't have that option if taxes were high. And if taxes were high, we would have to take our business overseas. And that would not be good for the U.S. economy.
Now, it's also going to like a foot above your head, which is kind of nice.
We don't pay taxes because we don't we don't care about non-profit people. And there's too many taxes, and we don't believe in